Guys, we have found it, the Hidden Fates Elite Trainer box. Let's look at the back here. We got the Elite Trainer box. Your fate shines bright. A wild set loaded with all-time favorites. The Pokemon TCG Hidden Fates expansion is a collector's dream and a player's paradise. Soared new heights with the first tag team trio, Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno GX, as well as Gyarados GX, and more than 75 Pokemon in their shiny forms, including Mewtwo and Charizard. Reach out for the unusual, astonishing power of Pokemon and discover your own Hidden Fates. So guys, that's what it's got in the box. Although I am really excited for the stained glass window tag team trio. So we're gonna break open this bad boy here, see if we can get any good pulls, maybe get that shiny Charizard or Rainbow Rare Birds, and grab greatness. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and bust this open. Get at it here. Alright, like always, we got the Hidden Fates box, which if we open it up, gets us some nice little artwork there. Shiny Mewtwo, shiny Charizard, a Mew, and the tag birds. And then we got the checklist here. It gives us all of the Pokemon in their glory, as well as the shiny vault. Oh man, look at all those nice shiny cards that we can get out of here. Especially that Rainbow Rare Tag Team Trio Bird. Look at that later. Release the birds. Get that out of the way. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs of Hidden Fates. We have some nice little dice right there. I like that yellow-orange fire look. We got our Tag Team GX marker and our poison and hurt counters. And then we got some nice looking card sleeves there. I like that singular color on the background of the birds with the black, makes it stand out. We got the Tag Team stained glass card. Look at that. That is a beauty. I don't see. It looks fairly good. Doesn't look scratched up. Doesn't look miscut. Maybe we can send that off later and get it graded. And then we got our dividers and package of energy. Put that off on the side because we don't need energy. And we are gonna replace our bird for that pop of color. That is nice. Stick Charizard back up there. Alright guys, there's a code card for you for the Elite Trainer box. Let's get into our first pack. Alright, code card for you. 4 cards from the back. And let's start out. We got a Fairy Energy, Sabrina's Suggestion, got a Scyther, Pokemon Center Lady, a Pikachu, got a Clefairy, a Cubone, Jigglypuff, got an Eevee, Reverse Arbok, and start off full art Giovanni's Exile. That is a card I've yet to pull, but man, is that a nice card. Good way to start off the box here. And we'll go into our second pack. Alright guys, code card for you. 4 from the back. Got Lightning Energy, Metapod, Koga's Trap, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, Pikachu, Clefairy, Cubone, Jigglypuff, Eevee, let's see if we get a shiny, Reverse Jolteon, and Erica's Hospitality regular rare. Some more light down here. Alright, third pack. Go with the Mew pack. These ones. This one is a little bit tougher to open there. Maybe that means there's something good in it. Alright. Code card for you guys. 4 from the back. Oh, those are upside down. And we got a Mew. A Water Energy. Chansey. Got a Graveler. Farfetch'd. Cubone. Geodude. Jigglypuff. Staryu. Ekans. Reverse Pokemon Center Lady. And I messed up that pack. Looks like our rare is the Mew. Alright. Huh. That's weird. I thought I did the card trick right. There's a code card for you. And 4 from the back. And Koga's Trap. Lieutenant Surge's Strategy again. Misty's Determination. Got a Clefairy. Magikarp. Ekans. Voltorb. Geodude. Reverse Mew. And an Arbok regular rare. Alright, here we go. You know, people make it seem like those legendary bird trios are so common, but I have yet to pull a single one. Man. Maybe I just don't have the money to buy all those packs. We'll see. Electric Energy. Got a Jinx. Brock's Grit. Oh, missed one. Magmar. Slowpoke. Magikarp. Pikachu. Got a Voltorb. Coughing. Oh. Kartana Shiny. I don't think I've had that one yet. And Jesse and James Hollow. And look at that. That is a nice shiny, guys. First shiny of the box. Alright, we are down to 5 packs. Let's see if we can get anything good. They save the best for last. There's always a hope. Code card for you. 4 from the back. I want to know, guys, are you getting anything good out of these code cards? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you think of today's pulls. Which card was your favorite? Which card are you guys missing? And if anybody's got the shiny Charizard, let me know. Shout out to you guys. Congratulations. Got a Slowpoke. Psyduck. Ooh, Full Art Fisherman. Regular rare Jolteon. That is nice. That's from the shiny vault as well, so. Man, 2 full arts. And a shiny so far. We got 4 packs left, guys. Alright. Let's break into it. 4 from the back. We got Metal Energy. Got a Magmar. Cerulean City Gym. Sabrina's Suggestion. Got a Paris. Caterpie. Ekans. Psyduck. Staryu. Shiny Gabite. Look at that. I think I have one of those. And then, oh, there we go. Full Art Tag Team Trio Birds. That is a beauty. Man, what a pack. That is great. And very unexpected. Alright, guys. Third to last pack. The pulls are getting hot. Let's see if we can get them hotter. It'd be amazing if on this last pack we pulled a shiny Charizard. That would make my day. 4 from the back. I have to buy another one of these. Water Energy, Charmeleon, Metapod, got a Jinx, Cubone, Geodude, Slowpoke, Clefairy, Jigglypuff. Ooh, shiny Articuno GX. Man, this box is just giving us the birds. Man, that is a pretty card. Shiny Articuno. And a regular rare Blaine's Last Stand. Legendary Scent, Ice-Wing 130, Cold Crush for 170. Oof, man, gotta put it over here with the shiny vault. Because we are racking up the pulls. 2 packs left. Gotta get that shiny Charizard. Four from the back. Alright, Fire Energy, Pokemon Center Lady, Sabrina's Suggestion, Scyther and Voltorb, that want to join the party. Got a Pikachu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Coughing, Brock's Pewter City Gym, and Holo Vaporeon. Alright guys, last pack. Honestly, if we don't get anything out of this pack, I'm going to be okay with that. That full art Tag Team Birds, as well as that full art Articuno. Oh man, not only that, but we got the Tag Team Bird Trio as well. 4 from the back. We got a Fighting Energy, Misty Cerulean City Gym, Brock's Pewter City Gym, Giovanni's Exile, Clefairy, getting some nice yellow nostalgia days, Magikarp, Ekans, Voltorb, Geodude, Reverse Energy, and ending it off with the regular rare Bill's Analysis. Alright guys, we got some great pulls. I'm going to go sleeve these up real quick, and we'll be right back with the recap. Alright guys, we got these all sleeved up, good to go. Like I said, full art, I got that Jesse and James. And we got the Holo Vaporeon. Nice cards and they're good, right? But then we got shiny Kartana, shiny Gabite, ooh, both of those cards. And then full art Giovanni's Exile. And then the shiny Articuno GX, which is still amazing card. It's not the Charizard, but hey, I will take it. And then got the full art Fisherman from the shiny vault as well. And man, I said they're not very common, and look what I ended up pulling. The full art Tag Team Bird combo. And then let's not forget the stained glass art Zapdos Moltres Articuno GX Tag Team card with Trinity Burn and Sky Legends. That card is a PSA worthy card. Once I get enough of those, I might send them off, see what I can get on that. That's the video today, guys. Let me know in the comments down below which card was your favorite. If you guys open any of these boxes, let me know if you're pulling anything great. Let me know what you get out of those code cards. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when I post my videos, and we'll see you next time.